Check this, 1, 2, check.
Yo, sa mga ka-Objects Lights and Sounds. So for today's video is magsa-sound check tayo sabay na itong ating dual 6.5 inch na twin tower speaker at saka itong ating D18 VRX 918S JBL copy. Ayan, so D18 to guys. So pagsasabayan na natin. So yung gagawin lang natin dito guys is naka-aux tayo sa ating output ng ating subwoofer. So first song natin is wala munang subwoofer. At saka yung sa second song na natin is merong subwoofer. Or ating ipalipat-lipat guys. So meron, wala, meron, wala. Para marinig yung difference nila guys. Alright.
Are you ready?
Check this, 1, 2, check. Check. 1, 2, check.
Okay guys, so next is turn on na natin itong subwoofer. So mag-headset lang kayo guys para mas ma-appreciate nyo yung audio quality. Alright.
Are you ready?
Check this, 1, 2, check. Check. 1, 2, check. Check. 1, 2, check.
Okay guys, so yung next naman natin is ito turn on natin, tapos turn off naman yung sub. So pupwesto lang ako doon. So ito turn on natin yung aux and turn off para ma-differentiate nyo talaga guys. Alright.
Are you ready?
Check this, 1, 2, check. Check. 1, 2, check. Check. 1, 2, check.
Alright guys, so yun yung kabuuhan natin sa sound check ng ating dual 6.5 inch at saka yung D18 subwoofer speakers natin. So hopefully guys, hindi tayo mag-copyright dito.
Hindi totoo yan.
Sana nga, hindi lang. So hanggang sa susunod na pag sound check natin guys at saka tutorials. Alright.